Okay, this is breakfast, our last meal together. Look at this. Everybody say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I think Jen's had a hard weekend.
Good morning.
Okay, this was Jen's little nook. Look at that. It's like the Princess and the Pea. She snuggled back in here. Okay, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Hi.
What's going on in here?
Thank you for the words that you gave me Friday night because they have just been speaking.
And hey, your dad in this one. Simplify. Is that not a word?
Yes, I need that.
Okay, and this was Anna and Dana's room.
Hi, is it Dana?
Dana.
Hi, Dana.
You guys say good morning.
Good morning.
Look, oh my gosh.
I told you you're going to be eating that. This is the spread.
Oh, look at that. She did a good idea. It's been a good weekend.
It's been amazing. See?
From day